So we're starting off here in the Altair community, and I've already signed in under my username. I click on the icon up here, the 3x3 grid, and select Marketplace. This brings us into the environment where you can access all of the Altair solvers. I'm going to search for EDEM. Alternatively, you could search for PM FlexTire, but also filter out the solvers to the that would result in a PM FlexTire coming up. There we go, PM FlexTire. So I'm going to click on the PM FlexTire in the download. You can see that there are multiple options for the versions that can be accessed. So I'll take the latest 2024.0 version and download that file. Also take the 2022.2 with examples and download that. And as those downloads are working, I'll unzip the install file for 2024. So I've got my downloads folder up here on the left, and on the right I've already navigated into the location where I've got EDEM installed. So C program files, Altair 2024 EDEM bin folder. I will unzip the file that was obtained from the marketplace. You can see here we've got the PM FlexTire DLL, and that will be called when solving the EDEM PM FlexTire co-simulation, and this, I'll call it a pre-processing tool to convert the STP to OBJ file. Both of those files I'm going to copy and paste into the drive that has the EDEM executable. Because I'm copying onto the C drive, I need to have the admin privileges to place those files. So now that we have PME FlexTire DLL and STP to OBJ in the EDEM bin folder, we are ready to go to the next step where we would do the pre-processing and running the co-simulations. As a next step, we can also optionally set up some user path variables so that the execution of the STP to OBJ can be handled from anywhere. So in order to do that, I'm going to click on the Windows icon and type edit system environment variables, bring this in. I'll just expand this so we can read it, and I'm going to add a new user variable, and that variable is going to have a name HW desktop, and I'm going to specify the file path. So what we're adding here is a variable that will point to the HW desktop that's installed with EDEM 2024. Alternatively, if you've also installed the HyperWorks desktop package in addition to EDEM, you can point to that location as well. We're clicking OK. We now have the HW desktop. We'll then come down to the path and edit the path. In here, I'm going to add a new path, and that's going to be the EDEM, new, the EDEM library path. So I've got EDEM installed in the default location, so C program files Altair 2024 EDEM/lib. It's the library. Okay, so we've updated and added the HW desktop and the path variable. Click OK, OK, and then we're all set. Now that we've got the software installed, let's go back to the downloads, and we had downloaded the example files, 2022.2. So I'm going to also extract them here. Of course, you can place these files wherever is convenient for you, but for convenience, I'll extract them here. And within this folder, you can see that we've got a variety of different example files set up. Some of these folders include EDEM simulation decks, MotionSolve, EDEM simulation decks or simulation files, and some of them just have tire models. The example that we're going to look at, we're leveraging the EDEM co-simulation is within this tractor tire. So there's a mesh.bat. We've got a couple step files, a rim and a tire, the body that will be flexible here, and the input files that we would use, the .FlexTire input file for the EDEM simulation and an input file, the FTX file. But we'll cover that in the next step of this video.